Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 2, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong October 2, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, October 2, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 2, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 36 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 estimated jackpot price is 87 million pesos for Wednesday, October 2, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 2, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.